This is a step-by-step breakdown for that popular dance sequence in Janet Jackson's If video. And this is like childhood dream unlocked for me. I always loved this dance and wanted to learn it, but I was too afraid to try. I don't know why, but I'm not afraid anymore. I don't want you to be afraid. We're gonna learn it. So you're gonna start make a box with your arms, but then just drop one. And your left arm is gonna go up first. So you're gonna go left arm up, switch to right. Then you're gonna cross your arms in front and pull. And whenever you pull, you're going to pull them into fists. So you have left, right, cross, pull. Left, right, cross, pull. Left, right, cross, pull. I suggest trying this a lot until the muscle memory kicks in, because it's so fast in the actual dance, you don't have time to think about it. So just try to get those muscles to remember that movement. And then we can add feet and head and everything else that goes with it. So left, right, cross, pull. As you're doing that, you're going to be up on your toes and you're going to be jumping, and your knees are going to go in, out, in, out. In the video, they're moving left and right, so you can either do it in place or you can move to the left and right, but either way, you're just going to be jumping in, out, while you're doing your hands. So knees are in first whenever your left hand is up. So the very first motion is knees in, left hand up. This is 1 and 2 and. Oh, and one more thing, we have to get a head in there. So you got left up, right, cross, pull, and on the pull, you're going to look to the left. In the video, they're looking different directions depending on which direction they're moving. Janet is going to the left, and so she's looking to the left, so we're gonna do left. So we have all together, all those moves together. Knees in, left arm up. This is 1 and 2 and then do it all again. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and again, practice that over and over until the muscle memory kicks in, because it is fast. So once you feel like you have that part, the next part, your arms are going to, you're just going to point. You're going to point right, point left, point up, and right. So you're going right, left, up, right. Again, do that over and over. Right, left, up, right, right, left, up, right, right, left, up, right, until that muscle memory kicks in. And you're adding that on right at the end of doing this. So your knees are already going in, out, in, out. They're going to keep going in, out for these first two. So you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and point right, left, up, right. So whenever you go up, everything straightens up, and you can just stay up whenever you go to the right. So let's do that one more time from the beginning. It's kind of hard to keep my balance going slow, so I might fall over. It's okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, pull. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, left, up, right. Okay, from here, you're going to circle your arms. You're going to go right, left, right, and they're going to come down in front and just kind of cross at your stomach. And again, that is fast. So you have right, left, up, right. Go right, left, right. Bend all the way over. You can bend your knees a little bit and go ahead and throw your head down. There's a lot of hair throwing in this, so be careful with your neck. Don't overdo it. Be smart. So you're down here. You're going to come straight up, straight back down. Then you're going to come up right, left, and you're going to throw it. And as you do, you're going to look over your right shoulder like you're looking at your heel. So you have right, left, up, right. Go right, left, right, over, up, back down, right, left, throw it. So let's add all that together from the beginning. Remember, start with your left arm up. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Keep going. 1 and 2 and circle, 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 down, up, up, throw. From here, you're going to pick up your right leg and just kind of hitch it so foot is flexed, knees bent, and you're just going to smack it with your left hand. So from here, you have 1, step 2, and this is another big head throw. You're going to throw around and hit over. You're throwing your hand back, your right leg is straight, and your left arm just kind of comes with it. So that whole part is just a lot of big throwing hands, throwing hair, throwing everything. So let's go back to right, left, up, down, circle, right, left, right, down, up, throw and hit, step around and throw. Don't lose your balance. And this is one of those iconic parts that a lot of people remember. From here, you're going to bring your hands forward, like kind of like cross them in front, and you're going to pull, sort of like you're pulling into an arrow, and you've got this diagonal thing going. And you're going to actually step left, right, and as you do that, your knees are going out and in. So they're going out and out and out and out. You have 4 of those. So from this throw, you just did your bop, bop, throw it. You're going to whack your knee, spin, throw it back, and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to step right, left. And when you do that, you're doing like these hoedown arms, I guess. So you have 4, 2, 3, 4, step right, left, go back the other way, 1, 2, left, right. So the pattern is 4 walks, 1, 2, 2 walks, 1, 2. So the music, it sounds like there's kind of a 4 count break in there. So let's just go from the beginning and count through it, and I'll kind of show you what I mean. So from the beginning, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, up, 5, down, 6, up, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and you're going to roll 3 and pop. And it's kind of hard to tell what they do with their arms. You can just see their chest, but it looks like they roll and they just kind of pop it. So all of that part together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And by the way, you're looking down the direction you're going. So when I'm going this way, I'm looking down at the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look right, left, right, 2, left, right, roll and pop. You're going to reach out to the right. Use your right arm, reach out to the left, and then you're just going to pull it through, step right, left. Your legs are straight on the reach, and then whenever you re-step right, left, you're sort of leaning over your back leg, your right leg. And then from here, you're just going to throw yourself down, flat back, throw it back up, and that's 7, 8. So if we're starting with 1 here, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, pop, 4, reach, 5, pull, 6, down, 7, pop, 8. Let's keep going because we're almost done. We just have one more kind of 4 count. So from here, you're going to use your right arm to just sort of spin yourself around. You're going to spin 1, 2, and just use your whole body. Just kind of push your hips out. 1, 2, roll down, 3, 4. And that's it. So let's add that on to what we just did. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, go right, left, right, 2, left, right, and roll, pop, reach, pull, throw it down, throw it up, bring it around, roll and throw. One last throw. And that's it. Let's do the whole thing with counts. So remember, left arm up, knees in. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and around 3 and 4, up 5, down 6, up 7 and throw and 1, 2, 3, throw it 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, roll 3, pop 4, reach 5, pull 6, throw 7, up 8, around 1, 2, and 3, 4. That's it. Rewind, rewatch, pause, whatever you need to do. Keep practicing. Just don't give up on it. You got this. I'll do a separate video with music. So we'll do it slow at 0.75 speed, and then we'll do it full speed. So I will link that in the description below.